Huevo.
Most improved and most number of merits.
Isha Ewing D. Huevo.
Most number of merits and most number of cases completed. 74 cases.
Zachary Drake C. Kingdona.
Most number of merits, most number of hundreds, 41 100s, and most number of cases completed. 75 cases.
Kyle Andre L. Flores.
Most number of merits, most number of 100s, 34 100s.
David John R. Manuel.
Most number of 100s, 36 100s, and most number of cases completed. Also 75 cases completed.
Cirilla Reese M. Garcia.
Most number of cases completed, and she completed 95 cases.
Rafaeli R. Manuel.
Most number of cases then completed 75 cases.
Lisha T. Laustristica.
Most number of hundreds and also the highest general average of 97%.
Samantha M. Sartu.
Highest general average of 95%.
Enrique D. Eusebio II.
Most number of cases completed, he completed 74 cases. Let's proceed to the Scripture Memory Award. This award is given to the students who memorized and perfectly recited 9 monthly scripture passages at the end of school year. And to those students who participated in the NS also best gold card.
Maxine Isabel Ingano.
Best gold card, most number of merits, most number of hundreds, 34 100s, and highest general average 97%.
Rhea J. E. Alves.
Best gold card and best reader.
Micah C. Escote.
Best gold card.
Rain Anya Beatriz Toribio.
Best reader.
Kylie Arabella L. Flores.
Best reader and most number of hundreds, 34 100s as well. And highest pace average, 96%.
Ayan Calix C. Santiago.
Best reader and most improved.
Cyrus J. P. Olingay.
Best office.
Ivy Giselle T. Laustristica.
Best office and most improved.
Elijah Miguel D. Moya.
Best office. A general average in the conventional subjects of 85 to 89% must have completed all the required cases projection for the school year, must have memorized and recited all scripture verses on or before the due date, no incomplete grade in any subject, must have read at least 9 stories in the Read Master program, and must not have been
Goes to the following students. Honor B. Samantha M. Sartu. Dane Marcus L. Sali. Elijah Miguel P. Moya. Anjay Joaquin G. Mandes. Jacob Carl R. Kilingin. Alora Michelle F. Eugenio. Sabina Miguel Ignacio. Luis Aileen L. Flores. Rhea J. P. Alves. RG James H. Panopio. Rafaeli A. Manuel. Elijah Rafael S. Servento. Cyrus Luis P. Celano. Ayan Calix C. Santiago. Joaquina Aileen D. Rodriguez. Enrique B. Eusebio II. Elisha Eliana B. Bueno. Ezequiel P. Berinia. And Prince Jerry S. Alzate.
Let's proceed to the consistent Honor A. To be eligible for Honor A, the student must maintain a PACE average of 95% and above, general average in the conventional subjects of 90% and above, must have completed all the required PACES projection for the school year, must have also memorized and recited all scripture verses on or before No incomplete grade in any subject must have read at least 9 stories in the Read Master Program.
Honor A goes to the following students: Elise Adriel B. Buego, T. Laustristica, Daniel Claire C. Salo, Eliza Ray Subastir, Ray Anya Beatriz Toribio, Serena Reese M. Garcia, Lauren C. Leiva, Moses Johan E. Mana, Cyrus J. B. Olinas, Ethan Miguel S. Cervento, Kylie Arabella L. Flores, Ivy Giselle P. Laustristica, Marcus Phil A. Ang, Isha Yue B. Fuego, Cassidy K. C. Bingona, Kishin O. Narab, Maxine Isabel E. Manay, Zachary Drake C. Bingona, Maria Francesca Athena Agpawil, Micah C. Escote, Kyle Andre L. Flores, and David John R. Manuel.